Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment below and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture is very beautiful room. You can see the lights, the plants and all. Very beautiful decoration, the floors, the cupboard and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the floor wooden theme and the lights and all, and the door wall you can see very beautiful. This one also you can see the white color wall and all, and the small plants, the lights. This one also you can see the blue color and white color theme. It is mixed, but it is looking very beautiful. I love this one. And this one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the here bed, the chair, and the side you can see table and all. You can study here, use laptop and all. And you can see this is also very beautiful. You can see the cupboard. You can see white color, the frame and all, photo frame very beautiful. So also you can keep your expensive things, your shoes or anything you can keep, or in here you can study, use laptop. This one also studying area or using laptop and all. It is very beautiful. You can see the lamp and all, very beautiful decoration. This one also you can see the cactus plant. You can see, and the mirror and the small bulbs. You can see the floor. You can see this is also very beautiful. You can see the floor and all, very beautiful. You can see the mirror, the wall, the lamp, beautiful lamp. So also you can see the small bulbs, the cotton and the bed and this beautiful teddy. You can see cute teddy. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the wall, roof black color, floor and the lamp you can see black color. This one also the silver color wall and all, and the bed and the bulbs. You can see beautiful bulbs and all. It is very beautiful. This one also you can see the small plants and the bulbs and the mirror, the bed and the wooden floor. It is looking very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the roof below, the lights and the down. You can see photos and all, very beautiful. This one also you can see the small bulbs and all, and the wall you can see, and the chair you can see. It's looking very beautiful. You can see this one also, the time lights. You can see the decoration is very beautiful. I love this one. And so you can see the wall. And also I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon and tell me which room decor you like. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care. Good.